Okay, folks, bullet points. Chris Rainey here. We're talking about firearm safety. We have our 4 rules, and we're on the second rule now, which is don't point the muzzle at anything you're not willing to destroy. And that means our feet. That means adjusting our headset with our gun muzzle up by our head. What I like to tell people when they're just starting out is once you get that deadly weapon in your hand, it's kind of like, oh my gosh, now it's what do I do? Everything you thought you don't remember. So we want to work those things out ahead of time. How are you going to do stuff with one-handed because you have the gun in your hand? You can set it down. If you had a holster, you could put it in the holster, or you could use your offhand like this instead of using the gun. We don't point it at our feet. We keep it pointed out here at a 45-degree angle. We call that hard guard here. That's a term from years ago. If you want to know why I call it that, if you don't know, it's a 2-beer story. I'd be happy to tell you.
Or a class.
Or come to class, but I don't tell you in class either because it's the 2-beer story, but nobody ever wants to know, so they never bought me 2 beers. But anyway, it's an old term, and we use it out here because it's distinctive. It's a good term, though. It's called low ready and ready and a bunch of other stuff, and we have some other ready positions we teach, but that keeps the gun away from our body and keeps it from pointing at somebody else. On that rule, remember that when you're controlling that gun muzzle, it's like a butcher knife. It's like a knife blade. You're controlling it. You are in control of it. And where it's pointing is critical. You know, how many sheetrock panels will that bullet go through? Our test out here, 15 to 19 panels. It's 2 per wall. You know, I mean, 2x4s, things like that impede it. But if you don't hit any of that, it's just sheetrock. That will not stop the bullet. So anytime we're pointing the gun anywhere, we want to know where the bullet might wind up. And we plan, what I like to say is we plan for the accidents. We're humans. We make mistakes. Give yourself some leeway. Keep it pointed somewhere where if you did goof it up or the gun malfunction and discharge, we've had several handguns discharge on loading. We've had a couple of rifles discharge on loading. So no fault of the shooter. So we plan for a malfunction. We plan for a goof up where I'm going to have my finger on the trigger. We think about that. When we're manipulating the pistol, we do not get our hand in front of the muzzle or our fingers in front of the muzzle. I see this a lot, and it's very dangerous. It's pretty common out there when you watch people's gun handling. So we're in the business correcting that and helping you do a good job on it. So that's Bullet Points. Thanks for watching.